My name is Richard Jamison, and I'm a general surgeon with the Gastrointestinal and Minimally Invasive Surgery Division of the Oregon Clinic. I was fortunate to do both my medical school training and residency training at the Mayo Clinic in Minnesota. I'm a general surgeon by training. I focus mainly on abdominal pathology, but I have a special focus on endocrine surgery, which involves surgery of the thyroid and parathyroid as well as adrenal glands, and also focus in hernia surgery and the treatment of varicose veins. My most important task as a physician, I believe, is to help the patient understand the problem they came to see me about, as well as my recommendations for their care. If a patient doesn't understand or doesn't buy into the treatment that I propose, there's a higher chance that things won't work out the way the patient wants them to. The most rewarding part of my job are the patients that I get to care for and to become a small part of their lives. My main interest outside of the office is my family. And I enjoy spending as much time as possible with them. It's usually on the weekends. I like to play golf, and I like to work out in the yard with my wife. The first thing on my bucket list is probably a trip to Europe with my family. When I was a kid, I got to live there for a year in France, and it was a great experience for me, and one that I think about even to this day. Probably something that would surprise a lot of people is that I grew up singing. And my fantasy growing up was to be part of the King Singers, which is an English a cappella group, which most people have never heard of. I like the mountains more, but I think my wife likes the coast more, so fortunately we get to go to both. But what I like most about the mountains is how quiet it is there, and in particular at night, seeing all the stars without any clouds or lights is truly amazing.